In the countryside of Damascus, members of the Sheikh Qwaider family founded this food products factory in 1974. For more than a decade, like many other businesses in Syria, they reeled under trade restrictions due to international sanctions that banned investment in the country and curbed financial transactions. But now they say the EU agreeing to lift sanctions will help them overcome previous operational hurdles.
The main obstacle we faced was getting raw materials in automated lines, especially that we couldn't import any equipment or industry lines because of the sanctions, so we had to rely heavily on manpower. As for bank accounts, we weren't able to send or receive any transactions because of the sanctions.
Business owners and shoppers have reacted to the EU's announcement on lifting of sanctions with optimism and hope.
Companies that were ousted from Syria and stopped dealing with us because of the sanctions are now in contact with us. Many companies and producers are telling us that they are coming back and they want to reserve a spot in our market.
Among the potential economic benefits to Syrian businesses are a reintegration into the global economy and the chance to attract foreign investment. Syrian banks can also reconnect to international financial systems.
The government views the EU's move as more of a recognition of the new political leadership in Syria. That can help integrate the country back into the international community. But for this to happen, the UN emphasizes the need for the dissolution of armed groups and implementation of a transitional justice system to investigate crimes committed during the rule of the Assad regime.
Syrian officials have publicly promised to bring in human rights reforms and set up a transitional justice commission. The European Union's announcement came after US President Donald Trump announced plans to remove US sanctions on Syria earlier this month. The EU began imposing sanctions on Syria in 2011, shortly after the Assad regime launched a crackdown on protesters. The move to lift sanctions is aimed at improving Syria's economy under its new leadership. But sanctions targeting individuals associated with the former Assad regime, human rights violators, and the country's arms trade remain in place. Mahmoud Abdelwahed, Al Jazeera, Damascus.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.